go. Can't even take out this stupid stem. Got it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Make sure I have another tube. M10, of course. Okay. Don't pinch the tube, Tyler. Don't have another one. I like my work gloves. Pretty cool, right? I hate doing this. Oh gosh, dang it. Oh, come on. Gotti. What? What? Oh, come on. Don't do this to me. Don't be gay. Not that being gay is a bad thing. Oh. Oops. Didn't even loosen this thing. If you're wanting to learn how to change a tire, you should probably go watch a different video. Because as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to the other side. Okay. Start over. Yes, thank you. I don't know what I'm doing at all. I got it. Okay. Spokes. Don't worry, I'll be back in a sec. Don't worry. I'm almost back. I'm almost there. I'm back. Okay, there's a couple messed up ones in here somewhere. I'd say that's probably one. Geet. Ooh, there's a naughty one. Should probably just go get a screwdriver, but I'm way too lazy. Okay. I don't care if it's out of true. Oh yeah. Nice and plump. Nice and plump. Ooh. I should have done this inside the tube. What was I doing? Nice and slippery. See if I can do this. Come on. Okay, we had some technical difficulties there. The camera quit recording, and I'm not sure why. But to clue you in, I'm now at this point in time and actually putting this tire on. You missed out. I don't even want to say what I did. It was pretty embarrassing. But I'm just not gonna go there. Tube. Yes, the tube is now out of the tire. Here, work with me. Oh my gosh. Ow. Ow. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. Yes. Ow. Ow. Ooh, yeah. This stupid hair chalk, whatever it's called. Please don't pinch. What am I doing? I suck so bad at this. I'm gonna pinch a tube and this is gonna fly in my face. Yay. Oh, that's not a good sign. Oh, jeez, why did I just do that? Oh, I just ruined it. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. That's tight. Oh, it's right on the rim lock too. Joy. Just freaking great. Okay. Try this again. Why you gotta be like that, man? Oh, please. Oh gosh, come on, rim lock. Don't be like that. Why is it so far in there? Hey, that just helped. Okay, I'm nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. I am nervous. Oh boy. Holy crap, I think I did it. Oh. Come on now. Sorry about that thing making all that noise. It's pretty much there. I don't want to pop it. Oh! 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 Yes! 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 Oh, yes! Thank you! Yes! 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 Yay! Gross. Just kidding. Come on. What are you doing? Oh gosh. Holy crap. This shouldn't be this hard. There we go. Now we're talking. Oh, that wasn't enough. There we go. That's better. Yes! Yes! Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, that was Joys of Being Your Own Mechanic. I'm the Boomerang Kid. I hope I'll see you again soon. If you liked that, let me know. I might do some more. Yeah. I'll see you next time.